Hey friends! Welcome to our journey through time and taste. Let's travel back in time to Mexico, the birthplace of the taco. Imagine the vibrant landscapes, the bustling cityscapes, and the ancient ruins that tell stories of a rich and diverse culture. Picture Mexico way before taco trucks were even a thing. The streets were filled with marketplaces where people traded goods, shared stories, and of course enjoyed delicious food. Guess what? People loved tacos even back then. These gatherings were not just about eating, they were about community, tradition, and celebrating the flavors of their land. Tacos have been around for ages. They were a staple in the diet of ancient Mexicans who mastered the art of combining simple ingredients to create something truly special. Historians think tacos first appeared in Mexican silver mines in the 1700s. These mines were bustling with activity, and the workers needed a meal that was both convenient and satisfying. Miners needed a quick and easy meal they could carry around. They didn't have time for elaborate meals, so they turned to something simple yet filling. So they stuffed tortillas with different foods and bam, the taco was born. These early tacos were a practical solution, but they quickly became a beloved part of Mexican cuisine. These early tacos were simple but super tasty. They used whatever ingredients were available, often including meats, beans, and vegetables. They used basic ingredients like grilled meats and fresh salsas, showing off the amazing flavors of Mexico. The simplicity of these ingredients allowed the natural flavors to shine through. From simple beginnings, tacos became a Mexican favorite, enjoyed by everyone from miners to families having dinner. They were more than just food. They were a symbol of togetherness and cultural pride. Stick around to see how this simple food took over the world, one taco at a time. We'll explore how tacos evolved and spread across the globe, becoming a beloved dish in many cultures. What makes a taco so special? Is it the way it fits perfectly in your hand, or the burst of flavors with every bite? Maybe it's the endless possibilities of ingredients that can be used to create this beloved dish. It all starts with the tortilla. This humble flatbread is the foundation of every taco, and its preparation is an art in itself. This thin flatbread is the base of every great taco. Made from either corn or wheat, tortillas are cooked on a hot griddle until they achieve the perfect balance of softness and flexibility. Usually made from corn or wheat, tortillas are cooked on a hot griddle until they're soft and bendy. The process of making tortillas dates back thousands of years and remains a cherished tradition in Mexican cuisine. Now for the fun part, the fillings. This is where creativity truly shines, as the options are virtually limitless. Classic Mexican tacos often have yummy meats like carne asada, carnitas, or al pastor. These meats are marinated and cooked to perfection, providing a rich and savory base for the taco. But tacos can be anything you want. From grilled vegetables to seafood, the possibilities are endless. You can even experiment with fusion flavors, combining elements from different cuisines to create something truly unique. Add cilantro, onions, and a squeeze of lime for extra flavor. These simple yet vibrant toppings enhance the taste and add a fresh, zesty kick to your taco. And don't forget the salsa. This is where you can really personalize your taco, choosing from a variety of salsas that range from mild to super spicy. From mild to super spicy, there's a salsa for everyone. Whether you prefer a tangy tomatillo salsa or a smoky chipotle, the right salsa can elevate your taco to new heights. Tacos are awesome because they're simple. With just a few fresh ingredients, you can create a dish that's both satisfying and delicious. With just a few fresh ingredients, you can make a flavor explosion that'll make you feel like you're in Mexico. The beauty of tacos lies in their simplicity and versatility, making them a favorite for people all around the world. Get ready, because our taco adventure is about to get even better. In the early 1900s, tacos crossed the border into the United States. Mexican immigrants brought their delicious food with them, introducing Americans to the awesomeness of tacos. At first, tacos in America were mostly sold from street carts and small stands. They became super popular, especially in cities with lots of Mexican people, like Los Angeles and San Antonio. Everyone loved the big flavors and low prices. As tacos became more common, Americans started getting creative. New ingredients and styles popped up, like ground beef, shredded cheese, hard-shell tacos, and sour cream. American tacos started to become their own thing. Hold on tight, because the story of tacos in America is a wild one. Over the years, tacos went from simple street food to fancy creations. One big change was the hard-shell taco. Soft tortillas were still popular, but the crunchy hard shell added something new. Another change was the crazy amount of different fillings. Americans started putting everything in tacos, from grilled fish and shrimp to Korean BBQ and even veggies. Today, anything goes. You can find tacos with lobster mac and cheese, fancy duck, and even chocolate and fruit for dessert. The simple taco has become a playground for creative cooks. Section 5. Taco Mania. Everyone loves tacos. Get ready because tacos have taken over the world. From Tokyo to Paris, everyone's going crazy for tacos. Why are they so popular? Tacos are fun. You can make them your own, and they're packed with flavor. They're a food that brings people together, no matter where they're from. In Japan, you might find tacos with tuna and wasabi. In India, they might be filled with spicy curries. And in France, you might see a fancy taco with foie gras and truffle oil. Tacos aren't just Mexican anymore. They're a global food, enjoyed in tons of different ways. It shows how food can connect us all. Section 6. A world of flavors, fusion tacos, and regional delights. Get ready for a flavor adventure, because the world of tacos is as diverse as the people who eat them. From traditional recipes passed down through generations to innovative fusion creations, tacos have become a global phenomenon. They are a canvas for culinary creativity, reflecting the rich tapestry of cultures and flavors from around the world. Let's check out some of the regional and fusion tacos that are making mouths water around the globe. Each region brings its own unique twist to this beloved dish, creating a delightful array of tastes and textures that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. In the American South, tacos get a barbecue twist. Here, the smoky, savory flavors of Southern barbecue meet the fresh, vibrant elements of traditional tacos, resulting in a mouth-watering fusion that is both familiar and exciting. Think pulled pork piled high on tortillas with barbecue sauce. The tender, juicy meat, combined with the tangy, sweet sauce, creates a perfect harmony of flavors that is simply irresistible. In Texas, breakfast tacos are king, filled with scrambled eggs, chorizo, and melted cheese. These hearty tacos are a staple of Tex-Mex cuisine, offering a delicious and satisfying way to start the day. Fusion tacos are also super popular. These innovative creations blend ingredients and techniques from different culinary traditions, resulting in exciting new flavor combinations that push the boundaries of what a taco can be. Imagine a Korean BBQ taco with bulgogi beef, kimchi, and sriracha mayo. The rich, savory beef, paired with the spicy, tangy kimchi and creamy, spicy mayo, creates a flavor explosion that is both bold and delicious. Or a Japanese taco with crispy shrimp, avocado, and furikake seasoning. The crispy shrimp adds a delightful crunch, while the creamy avocado and umami-rich furikake bring a depth of flavor that is truly unique. The possibilities are endless and super yummy. Whether you prefer traditional recipes or adventurous fusion creations, there's a taco out there for everyone. So, next time you're craving something delicious, why not embark on a taco adventure and explore the incredible world of flavors that these versatile and beloved dishes have to offer? Section 7. Taco Innovations Beyond the Ordinary. Get ready for some surprises, because the world of tacos is full of them. Prepare to be amazed by some of the crazy and creative taco inventions. Have you ever heard of sushi tacos? This Japanese-Mexican mix uses crispy wonton wrappers shaped like tacos, filled with sushi rice, fish, and all the sushi toppings you love. Whoa! And then there are dessert tacos. Imagine a warm cinnamon sugar tortilla with ice cream, fruit, and whipped cream inside. It's a sweet taco treat. From Dorito taco shells to taco-flavored ice cream, there's no limit to taco creativity. It shows how much fun and inspiration tacos bring to food lovers. Section 8. Tacos Today. A culinary staple around the world. Today, tacos are a food everyone loves, from street vendors to fancy restaurants. Taco Tuesdays are a thing everywhere, with people getting together to enjoy tacos. Social media is full of yummy taco pictures, making everyone hungry. Tacos are great because they can be anything you want. They can be simple or fancy, traditional or new. But one thing's for sure, tacos bring people together, making everyone happy and full. Section 9. Bringing the fiesta home. Time to get cooking. So there you have it, friends. We've traveled through time and around the world to explore the amazing story of the taco. Now it's your turn to make some tacos. Grab your favorite ingredients, put on some music, and get cooking. Whether you like classic Mexican, American style, or crazy fusion tacos, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to try new things and let your taste buds guide you. The best tacos are the ones you make yourself. So go make some awesome tacos.